David R. here. Today I'm going to talk to you about this course, Fundamentals of Photography, from the Great Courses. The lecturer is Joel Sartore. This course has 24 lectures. Each are roughly 30 minutes in length. There are 4 discs. Each disc has 6 lectures on it. It comes with this book here. The book has 158 pages and this giant case to protect your DVDs and your book with. The lecturer is Joel Sartore. He is passionate about photography. He works for National Geographic. He has his own website, joelsartore.com. This course will teach you focal length, aperture, lighting, what equipment to buy, how to protect your equipment, how to save your photos. Joel says that you need good composition, good lighting, and something interesting in front of you. What I took from this course, if I were to start taking high quality professional photos, I would get a mirrorless camera, tripod, cable release, 2 to 3 external hard drives, and Photo Mechanic, which is a software program. In conclusion, this course will take you from beginner to advanced in a short amount of time. I mean, the total running time is 12 hours. So you're getting like a semester of school right here in this course. And all you have to do is listen, take notes. That's what I did. And then you'll be on your way. That's all I got. Talk to you later. Bye.